Hello guys, my name is Samiksha Vikas Mahajan. I am living in the holy city Amritsar, and thank you Vikas. And this is a platform Mrs. Diva. I invite you all on behalf of Mrs. Diva and myself. Mrs. Diva is a platform which gives opportunities. Astha Jain is a person जिसके बारे में पूरा सेशन भी बोलूँ तो भी कम है, because Astha gives so much opportunities to so many people. Astha is giving work from home opportunities, and Astha is giving new ideas to all the people around. It is so wonderful. Thank you so much Astha for giving me this opportunity. You deserve more than this, Astha. I can talk about you whole with you and it'll go on and go on and on. Thank you, Surbi. Yes. I want to introduce myself as a healer, energy healer, and a numerologist. Hello, Manju. How are you? I am working as an energy healer, a Reiki healer, a magnified healer, a theta healer, a numerologist, and this is my passion. I am started working it not so it's not been a year I started working as a healer, but I have discovered a lot many things about myself and about others. So energy, हम लोग आज के टॉपिक में we will be talking about chakras, aura, and mental health. So anybody wants to add on anything, you may add. I am just sharing my knowledge, and it is also, you can also share what you have. Knowledge has to be shared. So it is, you all are most welcome to share your knowledge. And I thank you Ritu Jan, because she has already added so good points yesterday in her live session. So it is just carrying on her live session. I am for going ahead with mine. So mental health के बारे में अगर हम बात करें तो what do you know about mental health? Hi सुबोध, आप मेंटल हेल्थ को कैसे डिफाइन कर सकते हो? कल दीदी ने बहुत कुछ बताया कि आपका मेंटल हेल्थ ऐसा होना चाहिए, एंड वी आर एक्चुअली पैनिकिंग. हम लोग कभी भी उस चीज़ के लिए जो मेंटल हेल्थ है उसको किसी ने देखा नहीं है. इफ़ आई विल आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन दैट what do you want in your life, please type in your answers please. What are you looking for in your life? What do you want to achieve in your life? Hello guys. Okay Ashta, piece of what? What kind of peace you are looking for, Astha? Okay. Okay. Okay, should be happiness, peace of mind, stability, happiness, harmony. So how do you think you will achieve these things in your life? Astha, I am coming to you first. Like peace of mind. Have you seen your mind? Peace and positivity. Yes. So the basically things I got an answer is like peace, happiness, and stability. So how do we achieve peace? Have you seen your mind? किसी ने माइंड देखा है? We all talk about mind, but किसी ने mind नहीं देखा है. Even I have not seen the mind. Doctors, there are so many. Okay, Didi, I will scroll up. Sorry. Okay. So there are so many doctors in India, in abroad. Nobody has seen the mind. They have seen the brains. Okay. And we are talking about mind. Mind is something we have not seen, but we always say that peace of mind, pieces of mind, and anything like that. Peace of mind is calm, like when we don't create things, when we don't discuss things. And now you must be saying, like, if we don't discuss, it isn't us, and we'll get बहुत सारा bombard हो जाएगा हमारे अंदर, and we'll get bombarded of things. Nidhi Gupta, yeah, positive thoughts. So all of this is positivity, and peace is all about when we don't take the things longer, we don't exaggerate the things. Like, I'll give you an example. Anything which has happened, suppose I am taking this live abhi, तो ये लाइफ एक इवेंट वन है, दिस इज इवेंट वन, बट व्हेन वी डिस्कस इट विद समबडी, तो इट विल ऑलवेज बी इवेंट टू. आवर माइंड विल डिस्टॉर्ट द थिंग्स, डिलीट व्हाट ही वांट्स टू, एंड देन क्रिएट एन इवेंट टू. सबसे पहले हम लोग उसमें कुछ एड्स कर लेते हैं जो हमारे मर्जी का होता है, वी एड ऑन द थिंग्स, देन we delete what is not comfortable to us, like we delete the things, and then we present it to somebody else. If I had a fight with somebody, so it had happened in the morning, and I am still carrying it with me, and I am losing it. The brain is making so many things, it is creating so many threads with that event कि वो हम लोगों का पीस ख़त्म हो जाता है. The brain actually is the responsible person or responsible thing which is deteriorating our peace of mind. How we can achieve, how can we feel the mind? Mind is energy. Everything is energy. I am talking to you, that is because I have energy to talk. I am using a mobile, that is also energy in a solid form. I have internet, that is energy. If you don't have energy, you cannot do anything. अगर आपके पास एनर्जी है तो ही आप कुछ कर सकते हो, अगर एनर्जी नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Aura, chakras, mental health, all are energy. If you want to pick up a glass of water, the energy is needed. If you want to see, energy is needed. If you want to do anything, energy is needed. So we are talking about energies today. There are different various kind of energies. Now, who all have watched Robot 2? Any answers? Have anyone watched Robot 2? Akshay Kumar favorite movie? No. So, okay. In that movie, we have talked about aura. That words come to a layman. The healers, the energy people, they know about aura. Oh. Asthaj, do watch it. It is a good movie. Mega, you too watch. Raj will love it. It is a good movie. And yes, Vikas, it is a good movie. So the word aura for layman started from that movie. उसमें बताया गया कि अगर हमें ऑरा किसी का देखना है तो हम लोग कैसे देख सकते हैं. बट पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे कि ऑरा होता क्या है. Aura is a energetic field. It is a electromagnetic field around us. Who have aura? Only the human beings? No. and everyone has aura. How to maintain positivity? क्या पॉजिटिविटी को मेंटेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, पॉजिटिविटी होते हो आप लोग खुद ही. वी आर लव, लव करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, हम लोग लव से ही बने हैं. वी आर मेड अप ऑफ लव. सो व्हेन वी don't think so much, when we don't create the even two in our minds, in our brains, then the positivity is there, is already present there. We don't have to buy it from anybody. Yes, everything has an aura. So पॉजिटिविटी आपको कहीं से लेकर नहीं आनी है. पॉजिटिविटी मेंटेन करने के लिए यू कैन डू मेडिटेशन, यू कैन डू एक्सरसाइज, यू कैन डू प्राणायाम्स, यू कैन ईट हेल्दी फूड, and you don't have to talk about the things which you don't like. Talk about more what you like, what you serve, what you think. People are like, married people are more about talking always, like they don't have a good relationship with their in-laws. In-laws are saying they don't have a good mother-in-law, their daughter-in-law, and so on. But if I'll say if my mother-in-law wouldn't be here, I won't be able to do this life. I'll not be able to do anything which I want to, because she is my support system, she is my strength, she is supporting me more than my husband, because she is taking care of all the household chores when I am doing this. I am practicing my passion. So yes, positivity is not stretching the things. Yes, because everything has aura. You are very right. A bottle has an aura, a pen has an aura, everything and everywhere we have aura. Okay, so aura होता क्या है? हर एक चीज़ के आसपास एक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड होता है. तो उस इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड से क्या होता है, वी कैन किसी भी लोग से हम लोग कहीं मिलते हैं, कोई लोग हमें बहुत अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, किसी से मिलने का मन नहीं करता, किसी से बात करने का भी मन नहीं करता, किसी को हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ऑरा. हम लोग उस ऑरा से इतना ज़्यादा रेजोनेट नहीं कर पाते, हमारा ऑरा, तो वी रिपेल फ्रॉम देम, एंड जिसके साथ हम लोग मर्ज कर लेते हैं, दैट इज़ बिकॉज उनके साथ हमारा ऑरा मैच करता है. हम लोग उनसे बहुत बात करना चाहते हैं. लाइक पहले के ज़माने में या अभी भी लोग कहते हैं कि इट इज़ लव एट फर्स्ट साइट. इट इज़ बिकॉज योर ऑरा इज़ गेटिंग अट्रैक्टेड टू दैट ऑरा एंड यू आर गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ love from each other. Yeah, definitely I'll be giving the chakra healing meditations after this, and all the questions I'll take up once I'll finish with my session. So you can type in your questions, I'll be taking it up later. Okay, so ऑरा जो होता है ये साइकिक एनर्जेटिक फील्ड भी होती है. हमारे निकोला टेस्ला एक बहुत बड़े साइंटिस्ट, उन्होंने बोला था, इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड द सीक्रेट्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स, think in the terms of energy, vibration and frequency. Yesterday Ratudi also talked about the frequency, but that will be a very deep knowledge, so I will not be talking here right now about frequency. But if we keep our frequency higher, if we eat good, if we think good, if we think positive, if we have good exercise regime, we have good lifestyle regime, we can do much to our aura, to our chakras and to our mental health. Mental health is something which we don't talk about much, but if we talk about mental health to anybody and everybody, it is not about like we should talk it about our friends and people around, because they'll only stretch the things. We have to talk it to the person related to, like we should talk it to doctors, we should talk it to our elders कि this is our problem. अगर आप अपने आप को सप्रेस कर रहे हो, अपने इमोशंस को सप्रेस कर रहे हो, कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हो, जो भी फील कर रहे हो आप नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, तो वो आपको डिप्रेस और सप्रेस करके आपके सारे चक्रास, आपके ऑरा, सब कुछ वीक करेगा. यू विल बी इन नोवेयर. हाय ज्योति. इट इज़ लाइक कि आपको अपने थॉट्स पर, अपने आप पर काम करना है. एंड मेडिटेशन इज़ अ वेरी गुड टेक्निक. यू कैन chant also, you can chant anything. It is not like you have to go to any spiritual leader. Yes, if you go to them, they will guide you better. But if you don't want to, if you don't have time, you can, while going to your work, while going to anything, you can chant. You can, while cooking also you can chant. You cannot meditate while driving or cooking, but yes, you can chant. So yes, we were talking about aura. Aura is something which everybody has, and if you want to capture the aura, there is Kirlian photography which is there specifically to capture the aura. It can be photographed, and if you want to see the aura with your naked eye, it is also possible. It is like you have to have the white background, and you can keep the photograph of any person, or you can make any person stand in front of the white background, and then you can just look at that person without blinking your eye for 30 seconds, and you will be able to see it. Yeah, the first layer, not all the levels. There are 7 levels of aura, 7 layers of aura, and each layer is attached to a different chakras. Chakras are the spinning energy wheels in our body. That is also energy. This is also not to be you cannot see them, you can feel them, definitely. And each chakra is associated with bundles of nerves in our system. Yes, corona too has aura, because earth's vibrations go down, and that's why earth attracted corona to itself. So like, if as I talked about, like if you have a down aura, if you have a low aura, you'll attract low people in your lives. Negative aura, if you have a negative aura or blocked aura, you attract that kind of a person in your life. So same ways, if when earth has low frequency, it attracted aura, or it attracted any kind of diseases, because this has a low aura. Okay, so now we were talking about chakras. Chakras are the energy centers in our body, and there are many chakras. It is to be said, like it has 87 lakhs chakras in our body, but there are main 7 centers. 7 energy centers are the main centers which are directed energies, and each chakra has different element also. The 5 elements which we are made up of, the chakras also made up of these elements only, and they distributes the energy in our body. And the earth also, aura also has different layers. It has 7 layers, and each layer represents different colors. हर एक लेयर का अलग अलग रंग होता है. It starts with red color, green, it has violet, it has blue indigo, it has forest green, it has green, it is orange, red, muddy pink. Every color has different meaning. If you are you have a vibrating aura, you have more vibrating colors. If you have a dull aura, it has more dull colors. So that is the thing. And we इन आर डेली लाइफ, हम लोगों को बहुत डार्क कलर्स पसंद होते हैं. हम लोग हमेशा डार्क कलर्स पहनना पसंद करते हैं, या डार्क कलर्स लेना पसंद करते हैं. और ब्लैक तो बहुत लोगों का फेवरेट होता है, बट ब्लैक कलर इज़ बेसिकली एनर्जी. It always say unbalanced energy, unforgiving nature for ourselves and for others also. कई लोग होते हैं जो पीछे की बात लेकर बैठ जाते हैं, गुस्सा लेकर पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं. हम लोग वो देने के लिए तैयार ही नहीं होते, हम लोग गुस्सा छोड़ने के लिए ही नहीं तैयार होते हैं. तो वो चीज़ होती है ब्लैक कलर. ब्लैक कलर इज़ वेरी अनबैलेंस्ड कलर. तो जब भी हम लोग बोलते हैं कि आपको अपने लाइफ को बैलेंस करना है, तो यू स्टार्ट वेयरिंग द लाइट कलर्स एंड ब्राइट कलर्स, एंड यू विल फील द डिफरेंस इन योर लाइफ, feel the difference in your thoughts, feel the difference in each and everything is connected. The kind of food you eat, if you are eating more of fried foods, then आपका वैसा ही aura होगा. अगर आप कैसा कुछ और खा रहे हैं, आपका ऑरा डिफरेंट होगा। अगर आप अच्छा फूड खा रहे हैं, अगर आप मोर रॉ फूड खा रहे हो, आप फ्रूट ज़्यादा खा रहे हो, वेजिटेबल ज़्यादा खा रहे हो, तो आपका ऑरा वैसा होगा। आपके चक्रास मोर बैलेंस्ड होंगे, आपका थॉट फॉर्म बहुत अच्छा होगा, आप लोगों से ज़्यादा मिलकर बात करेंगे। इफ़ यू वांट सक्सेस, देन यू ऑल्सो यू कैन सक्सीड इफ़ यू हैव अ गुड लाइफ स्टाइल एंड हैव अ गुड ईटिंग हैबिट्स. All of this is connected. It is not like energy is connected, each and every connected. If I have to lift this glass of water, so I have to lift it up, but for lifting it up I need the energy. So there are many hospitals now who are working with the healers to take care of patients. There is in Ontario there is a hospital जहाँ पर doctors, the proper medicine people are working with energy healers. In Karnataka, in some ICU, they put up chants in ICU ताकि people उसका वाइब्रेशन इतना अच्छा होता है कि आप उससे हील कर पाते हो. मॉर्निंग्स में चांट्स लोग लगाते हैं अपने घर पे ताकि पूरा दिन आपके घर की एटमॉस्फेयर अच्छा रहे, आपके घर का ऑरा अच्छा रहे. इट इज़ वेरी 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 इफ़ेक्टिव. अगर आप ये चीज़ें कुछ भी चीज़ें करते हैं तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I want to all of you to write down 5 people who you love a lot. 5 people names in the comment section itself. I am waiting. Please fast. We have very less time and there is so much to discuss. Hi. Hi, Gautami. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Masiji. Right, Ritudi. If you are vegan and if you are following a good diet, a healthy diet, your energies are different. Nowadays, we are working everything. We are doing our household chores also. We are working from home also. We are cooking also. Everything and anything. And still we are energetic. Okay, Vikas, it is like you have to write 5 people whom you love the most. You have to name 5 people in the comment section itself. Okay, Priya. Okay, Samasha. Any more answers we have? Yeah, Priya, I have got. Thank you, Vikas. Any more answers we have, or shall I continue? Okay. Okay, Ritudi. I got it. Anybody else? Because this will be a cheating. If I'll tell you the answer, then everybody will be changing their answers. So, okay, let's start because we don't have much of time. So, starting with Pratha. Thank you, Ritudi. And it is Priya. You said Pratha, Amit, Mala, my mother, Swapnil, my friend, and my niece. Samasha said Mama, Papa, Didi, Nani, and Masi. Vikas said you. Megha said Ankit, Yuvraj, Dhanviksha, mom and dad. Rituji D said my younger sister, my twins, my sister, son and daughter, and my life partner. Bharti D said mummy, papa, sis, son, brother-in-law, mom-in-law. Yeah, study. 3 cheers for Vikas. And Manju, this is daughter, son-in-law, husband and friend. And the best answer is Ajit Singh's answer, that is I love myself most. And that is what is needed. 3 cheers for Ajit Bhaiya. That is the answer I am looking for. And it is like it has to come out from your heart. हम लोग अपने आप से प्यार ही नहीं करते. हम लोग दुनिया भर से सबसे बोलते रहते हैं आई लव यू आई लव यू आई लव यू, बट अपने आप से हम लोग प्यार नहीं करते. अगर हम लोग अपने लिए कुछ कर भी लेते हैं तो वी गेट इनटू द गिल्ट एंड वी गेट इनटू दैट ट्रिप फॉर लॉन्ग कि हमने दूसरों से पहले अपने लिए कुछ किया. हमने आज अपने पसंद का खाना बना लिया तो हम लोग गिल्ट पे चले जाते हैं. अगर हम लोग अपने लिए कुछ खरीद लाएं तो हम गिल्ट पे चले जाते हैं. we think we are selfish if we are doing this, but but this is something we should not be. It is not like we should feel guilty about anything. You have given this self, you have to think about the self. If we think about ourselves, we do things about ourselves, then there will be no blockages in our chakra, there will be no negativity, there will be no blockages in our aura, and we will be spiritually connected. Our aura, there is a bridge in our spiritual world and in the physical world, and that spiritual bridge is our mental health. And if the mental health is good, we can do each and everything. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम लोगों का ऑरा अच्छा हो जाएगा. विल सी इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग हीलिंग्स, आपका ऑरा ठीक हो गया, आपने सब कुछ ठीक कर लिया, बट इफ़ अगेन आप फियर में चले गए तो इट स्टार्ट डिप्रेशन अगेन. आप एक लेवल को अचीव करने के बाद उसको मेंटेन करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप कुछ भी करो, आप कैसे भी करो, हम लोगों को हीलर्स एक बार ही आपको ठीक कर सकता है, डॉक्टर्स एक बार ही आपको ठीक कर सकता है. एंड अगेन आप डिप्राइव हो रहे हो, अगेन एंड आप नीचे जा रहे हो, अगेन एंड अगेन आपको लग रहा है कि मेरा हो रहा है तो फिर ख़राब हो जा रहा है. इट इज़ द रीज़न इज़ यू. क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में पास्ट फ्यूचर में जीते रहते हैं. हम लोग अपने आज में जीते ही नहीं हैं. हम लोग गिल्ट लेके बैठे रहते हैं, हमें फियर है फ्यूचर का क्या होगा, हम लोग कुछ भी अपने आप को सप्रेस करते रहते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. हम लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि हम लोग अपने आप के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं. टेक टाइम आउट फॉर योर सेल्फ. आई एम गिविंग वन एक्सरसाइज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू डू डेली. In the mirror, look yourself eye to eye and say in your native language, I love you. I love you, Samiksha, like that. मतलब you have to say yourself. And अपनी native language में अगर आप हिंदी में बोलोगे तो आपको हंसी भी आएगी. शुरू में 2 दिन ईजी भी लगेगा बिकॉज आप उसको कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हो अपने आप से. लेकिन धीरे धीरे यू फील कि आप कभी बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है आपको, कभी कभी आपको बहुत रोना आ रहा है, कभी आपको हंसी आ रही है. इट इज़ नॉट एन ईजी टास्क, बट आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल डू दिस. से आई लव यू टू योर सेल्फ एज ऑफन एज यू कैन. Passing a mirror, always say I love you to yourself. Now moving again to the topic. The first layer of our aura is called the etheric body. It is bluish gray in color and we can see this layer with our eye. Thank you, Asta. And it is bluish gray in the color and it is related to the first chakra of ourselves, that is called Mooladhar. Mooladhar in Hindi means the basic thing. जब आपकी बेसिक थिंग पूरी होगी, द फिजिकल थिंग्स, द रोटी कपड़ा एंड मकान, उसके ऊपर तब आप सोच पाओगे. एंड एज इट इज़ द बेसिक थिंग, इट इज़ ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू ऑल ऑफ योर बेसिक ऑफ योर बॉडी, दैट इज़ योर स्केलेटन. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चक्र. आपको अपने ऑरा का फर्स्ट लेयर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड फर्स्ट चक्र इज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लोगों को लगता है कि सिर्फ ऊपर के 3 चक्र हम लोगों को स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड से जोड़ते हैं, इसलिए वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. बट इफ़ योर बेस इज़ नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू कैन नॉट गो हायर. अगर नींव कमज़ोर है तो आप मकान नहीं खड़ा कर सकते. तो रूट चक्र इज़ द बेसिक एमिनिटीज चक्र, एंड इट इज़ लाइक आपको कोई भी फियर्स हैं, कोई भी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ हैं, दैट इज़ बिकॉज आपका रूट चक्र ठीक नहीं है. आपको उस पर काम करने की ज़रूरत है. फीड गुड फूड, एंड इट हैज़, एवरी चक्र हैज़ डिफरेंट साउंड्स एंड डिफरेंट मुद्रास. So you can balance them by chanting that mantra and practicing that mudra. For root chakra, this is the mudra, and the sound is lam. If we chant lam, we can balance the root chakra. And the second layer, moving to the second layer is the emotional layer, and it is related to the second chakra of our body. The second layer of aura is connected to the second layer of chakra, that is the sacral chakra. Sacral chakra means स्वादिष्ठान chakra. स्वादिष्ठान chakra का element है, sorry, root chakra का element था earth, and now sacral chakra का element है water. What it is related to all your glands, all your reproductive system, all your uh, kidney, ureters, everything out here. तो आपका जो इमोशनल चक्र है, सेकेंड लेयर जो है, वो आपके इमोशंस से ज़्यादा है. अगर आपको गिल्ट है, आपको सेक्रल चक्र पे काम करने की ज़रूरत है. अगर आप रिग्रेट है तो आपको सेक्रल चक्र पे काम करने की ज़रूरत है. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा, कभी कभी आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि देर आर सो मच इन टू माई स्टमक, आपको अपना हैवी लग रहा है नेवल के पास का एरिया, देन सेक्रल हैज़ टू बी क्लीन्ड. Third layer is mental layer of our aura, and it is connected to the third layer of our chakra, that is called the solar plexus. And solar plexus is related to all of our the mudra for sacral chakra is this. Left hand नीचे, right hand उसके ऊपर, and you have to make this, you have to, and the sound is vam. Okay, and now the third is, we were talking about layer is mental layer, and the chakra is the solar plexus. Solar plexus is also called Manipura. Manipura chakra is related to your digestion system. If you have more of anxiety, if you have more of digestion problems, gastric problems, then solar plexus has to be problem. एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत है, and Ritu Di is basically the person to connect with गट प्रॉब्लम. अगर आपका गट हेल्दी है तो आपका पूरा सिस्टम हेल्दी है. अगर आपका गट वीक है तो आपको पूरा सिस्टम वीक है. योर इम्यूनिटी विल बी लो. यू कैन टॉक मोर अबाउट योर गट थिंग विद ऋतु जैन, बट हेयर आई एम टेलिंग जस्ट अ बिट ऑफ इट. लाइक अगर आप गट पे अपना काम करते हैं, आपका सोलर प्लेक्सस ठीक है, तो आपके नीचे के दोनों चक्रास ऑटोमेटिकली ठीक होने लगते हैं. दिस चक्र हैज़ सो मच ऑफ पावर, एंड इफ़ आपका गट स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो आपके ऊपर के चक्रास भी पावरफुल होने लगते हैं. सो वर्क ऑन योर स्प्लीन, फॉर योर पैनक्रियाज, एनीथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर डाइजेशन, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन द सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्र. द sound is ram. Now the fourth layer is astral layer of our aura, and it is connected to the fourth chakra, which is our favorite chakra, heart chakra. Heart chakra is anahata means which is not struck, unstruck. Here all the emotions are there, all the emotions. All the emotions where we have of our past lives or our astral cords, they are joined here. Yes, if you have to have anything, आपका हार्ट चक्र वीक है तो आपकी स्पिरिचुअल और फिजिकल बॉडी में कनेक्शन नहीं हो सकता. अगर आप अपनी बातों को बाहर नहीं लाते, अगर आप अंदर ही अंदर अपनी बातों को, अपने आप को अंदर ही अंदर दबाते रहते हो, तो आप कभी भी, आपके कोई भी चक्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं हो सकते. और इफ़ दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, वो नहीं आपको करेगा. ठीक है. एंड देन द अनाहता चक्रा की साउंड है यम, एंड इसका मुद्रा होता है Yeah, I'll tell mudras later in the messages itself. I'll send it. The etheric template. The fifth template is etheric template, which is connected to fifth chakra, which is the Vishuddha chakra, which is related here in your throat, in your thyroid gland. It is there. अगर आप अपने इमोशंस को अगेन सप्रेस कर रहे हो, अगर आप नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, अगर आप, देर आर लाइक एवरीथिंग, देर इज़ अ टेक्निक. अगर आप गुस्से में, हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट में कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, देर इज़, आपको लग रहा है कि लड़ाई बढ़ जाएगी, तो यू शुड टॉक about it later on, but you should talk about it. If you cannot talk about it, it will only create problems in your body, in your mind, in your brain. You will be into the bad mental health, which is depression. So it is good to talk. If you cannot talk, you can write on paper and you can burn the paper. इमोशंस को आपको बाहर आना ही पड़ेगा. Now we are moving to the sixth layer, that is celestial layer of the aura. Celestial layer of the aura is very vibrant. It is related to our Ajna chakra or the third eye. If you are believing yourself, if you are believing in your intuitions, if you are not doubting yourself, if you are not rechecking yourself, then this layer is very very powerful. अगर हम लोगों को लगता है कि हम लोग अगर अपने आप को बार बार रीचेक करते हैं कि यार किया या नहीं किया, दैट मेक्स आर दिस लेयर वीकर. This, like, we don't believe our intuition sometimes, we ignore our intuitions, and after that happens we said यार ये तो मुझे पता ही था ऐसा ही होना है. So believe yourself. If you believe yourself, then the things will be much much better and your chakra is more powerful and your sixth layer is very very powerful. Then the seventh layer is the Catholic template. It is related to our Sahasrara chakra or the crown chakra. Sahasrara is the name because it has thousands of petals and it is the spiritual chakra. For your mental health, it is the chakra. मतलब if you are feeding your if you want to feed your mind, you have to work on your Sahasrara chakra, pineal gland, pituitary gland. These are the glands which are very very important. अगर आपको अपने pineal gland एक्टिव करना है तो आपका थर्ड आई एक्टिव होगा, आपका क्राउन चक्रा एक्टिव होगा. एंड pineal gland को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए you don't have to move the mountains, you just have to smile. The more you smile, the more it will open up. Smiling is the only and the easiest way to open the pineal gland. The more you will be sad, the more it will be shun. So just your DNAs are in your pineal gland. So if you activate that, your DNA gets activated, it will be reactivated. And yes, DNA can be reactivated. It is a gift by your parents, but yes, you can change them. How, we can talk it about later. Yes. So now I am open to take the questions for me, the knowledge is this much only. For today's session, we can take the question answers. Niva, yes, I will send the link in this here for the chakras only, the chakra healing meditations. But as I have told there is some sounds for each chakra. So if you chant that sounds and you will make the mudra, they also get balanced. And it is not only important that your chakras are open, but it is also important that they are balanced with each other. Yes. How can we find that we have low aura or negative aura? It is very easy if you want to find it. How do you feel about yourself when you are at all yours, when you are alone? How do you feel about yourself? What do you want to do? How do you feel low about yourself, or you feel proud about yourself? Whatever you are doing, whether you are a housewife, whether you are not doing anything, whether you are a student, whether you are a teacher, whether you are a professional, whatever you are, but are you happy? It makes you happy. If that answer comes yes, then your aura is positive and it is vibrant. Otherwise, you need to work on it, and it is not a science. You can do it anytime. It is not a rocket science. It is easy. Just you have to take the first step, and then you will be doing it more and more often. And we always say that we pressurize in our adolescent kids. The depression rate is higher nowadays, just because we are pressurizing them for more results. We always see movies and forget it. But if we'll remember some good points from age, in 3 Idiots, आमिर खान बोलता है कि सिर्फ अपने नॉलेज से पैशनेटली करो कोई भी काम, और जो आपकी तरक्की है, जो भी आपको चाहिए, वो आपको मिलेगा ही, छक मार के आपके पीछे आएगा. तो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉलो योर पैशन, डू वॉट यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट. इफ़ यू आर इन 12th also, if you are in 10th also, you have your board exams, take at least an hour every day for yourself. Do what you like, what your passion is. Give yourself me time, and that me time is for you only, not for with your phone. It is just about yourself. You can do music, you can exercise, you can do meditation, you can do anything. Yeah, don't do Instagram and Facebook. Just me time. It is to develop yourself. Thank you, Jyoti. Simi, how to strong my chakras? As I told you that you have to, there are many techniques to balance and make our chakras strong and open. It is like you can chant, you can do mudra pranayam, you can do meditation, you can eat good food, and every chakra has different colors. Like our chakra has been given the color of rainbow, starting from the violet, indigo, blue. So it is Vibgyor, and every color represents that chakra. If suppose your root chakra is blocked, then use more of red colors in your life. Eat more red. If your heart chakra is weak, eat more greens. Wear more greens, like that. So that can help you make your chakra stronger. Love yourself more. Yes. How to know how to know our aura? What is it like? You have your aura, but how to know it is positive or negative? You just have to, like I said before also, that give yourself time for at least 1 hour. If you in that time you are enjoying with yourself, you don't need any phone, you don't need any TV, you are with yourself and you are happy, then your aura is good. Otherwise you need to help on this. If you are if you are distracted by others, that is like we are living in society, so we have people around and sometimes they distract us. We are into always into self we are always in self approval, कभी किसी से we don't always trust ourselves. अगर हम लोग तैयार हुए हैं तो हम लोगों को लगता है कि आज हम किसी को लगता है आप तेरे लिए तैयार हुए हैं, हम लोग अपने लिए तैयार नहीं हो सकते क्या? हम लोग अपनी पसंद का खाना नहीं खा सकते क्या? वी आर ऑलवेज लाइक कि आज मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, खाना कैसा बना है. वी डोंट ट्रस्ट आवर सेल्व्स. सो जब आप अपने आप को ट्रस्ट करने लग जाते हो तो लोगों के ओपिनियंस मैटर नहीं करते आपकी लाइफ में. If that matters a lot, then do more of your meditation, do more of pranayam, do more of breathing exercises. So there are no more questions, and still if anybody has questions they can tell it to me and we can take it up later. Thank you so much, Astha, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all the viewers for watching me, and whatever your question is, you are always welcome. You can connect here in the comment section, or Astha can tell you where. Thank you so much. Bye bye.